Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a really long time since I posted a video, and I feel like that's what I say every time I post a video. But me and Carla have moved into a new place, which we are so grateful for and so excited, and we have lots of room. So we set up a little filming room, so please be expecting more videos from me. But yeah, for today's look, I posted this lip art on Instagram. It's a sketched lip look. I don't know what you want to call it. I was trying to create an illusion of a drawing. So people actually asked me to do a full face of it, and I thought, what the hell, let me do a tutorial on a full face of it, something a little bit creative. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Sponge to apply this color white. And I'm just going to take it and start pretty much sponging it on. I think I'm going to take the look down to my necks. I've only got one neck. Down to my neck and probably like my shoulder. I'm not sure yet, but I'm just going to focus on the face right now. So I'm just going to apply that under my eye and blend it with the Fenty blender again. I'm just going to use a powder puff to pick up that loose powder. And then I'm just basically going to apply it everywhere so this sets properly. Now that my base is complete, I'm going to roughly line around my lips, and then I'll build up on that with then using some liquid liners afterwards. Once again, this does not have to be clean. I'm doing tiny little brush strokes just to give it more of that illusion of a sketched look. I'm also trying to use the lines in my lips as a bit of a guide for me. If you haven't sketched or drawn before and you're feeling a bit clueless, maybe try looking up some Google images for a reference. I think that could be really helpful. I'm now just smudging that liner a little bit just to give it more of a shaded sort of look. I'm now moving on to the rest of my face, so I'm just going to start creating lines along my cheekbones, my jaw, my forehead, and I'm going to build on top of that. Like with my lips, I'm just going to create little strokes, like trying to emulate some little brush strokes along that shading and lining I've done on my face. I'm now going to move on to my nose, so I'm just going to do a bit of shading where I want my shadow to be, and then later on I'm going to go in with my liquid liner and give it more of a defined look. With my eyes, I'm just going to put the shadow where I want the shadow and sort of follow those natural lines that I have in my eyes and exaggerate those. I'm going to use some liner in my waterline, and then I'm just going to coat my lashes with some mascara. I still want a bit of that white to peek through though. Now I'm going to use some of that black colour stick and just create little smudges on my face like you would see in a sketch. I'm going to follow those same steps that I did on my face and do it on my neck. I'm using a white liner and I'm just creating little light strokes just to add to the areas where I want it to be more highlighted. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you do recreate it, please tag me in it because it's so cool to see you guys recreate my looks. It's amazing. So I really hope you enjoyed it, like I said, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye.